Good morning, students. Welcome to your English OP class. Dear kids, hope you all are fine and safe at your homes. Students, open book page number 42. Book page number 42 is here. Today we will read remaining part of Birthday Mom. Happy birthday, Mom. Let's read. Is it for me? Is it for me? Says Tim. No, it is not, says Pam. Is it for me? Says Tim. No, it is not, says Pam. Is it for me? Says Ben. Is it for me? Says Ben. No, it is not, says Pam. It is not for you. It is not for you. Read again. Is it for me? Is it for me? Says Tim. No, it is not, says Pam. Is it for me? Says Ben. Is it for me? No, it is not, says Pam. Is it? It is not for you. It is not for you. Now, kids, it's your turn to read first 5 lines from book page number 42. These 5 lines, first, second, third, fourth, and fifth. These 5 lines. Allah Hafiz.